I'm Ken Russell, Pinoy US Adventure. Today we're in Erie, Colorado at the Vintage and Collectible Antique Motorcycle Show. I hope you enjoy it.
Started building them after the Second World War in Germany because they needed things that were good on gas. And they started out at about 100 cc's, and now by 62 they were up to 145 cc's. And they actually used to put a sidecar on these things too. If you can imagine 245 cc's with a sidecar. 90s were brought into a shop, a BMW dealer in Dallas. And there they fitted the fairings and the sidecars too. So this is all supposedly BMW, but I have no idea who built the sidecar. You know, better built the fairing.
Right.
It was all installed here.
Beautiful sidecar.
And
Sleek.
Most of these bikes have never been touched cosmetically.
It's a 1950 Harley-Davidson WL flathead, 45 cubic inch, civilian model. So it's got a foot clutch, got a tank shift, 3-speed transmission. It's definitely not factory paint anymore. So.
Well, it's a pretty bike.
Thanks.
Did you do the restoration yourself?
No, I didn't, but I had to do a lot of work on it to get it back on the road. So.
What's your name?
My name is Rob Kelly.
What you got?
This is a 1971 Honda CL175, all original. It's been in the family since new. It was my father-in-law's. He bought it for my wife, and I ended up with it.
Good deal. Well, thank you for joining us. I hope you had a good time, and hope to meet you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.